Gallager was considered one of the worst percussion breech-loading carbines of the Civil War. Today the only existing repro of this gun was manufactured in Germany a few years ago, but it's not in production anymore. But today I'm going to show you this rare gun. You're watching Cap and Ball TV, and this is Balázs néven.
The reputation of the original Gallager was very bad. The officers pronounced the gun unfit for service. Many problems occurred with these weapons. Problem with screws, sights falling off, barrel bursts, hard to remove metallic cartridges, breaking trigger guards. The majority of these problems were corrected in the later models, but the light carbine was never popular with the horse soldiers. The total number of Gallagers purchased by the US government was nearly 18,000. The carbine was issued to cavalry units. On the contrary, the ERMA repro is a really high quality arm. The material and the workmanship of this gun is just excellent. The length of the barrel is 56.8 centimeters. The bore of the original first model had a 1 in 72 inches twist rate. The twist rate of the ERMA bore is 1 turn in 15 inches. This is a very fast twist rate. The bore has 16 grooves. Some people say that these bores are surplus machine gun barrels. But this is simply not true. These are not 50 caliber MG barrels. I slugged the bore to check the exact groove-to-groove diameter. The biggest diameter of the lead slug was 540. So this is the groove diameter of the bore. Whenever you choose a bullet for your breech loader, use a 1/1000 of an inch stronger bullet than the groove diameter of the bore. The carbine is equipped with a folding rear sight and a dovetailed front sight. The rear sight is adjustable to 3 distances. The horizontal adjustment of the front sight is not hard. The gun is equipped with a swivel bar and a swivel bar ring. The horse soldier could load the carbine hanging on the bandolier with one single hand as well. The gun is equipped with a patch box. The small compartment holds an original nipple for the rifle. The trigger guard operates the opening mechanism. It is secured by a small safety. Three types of cartridges were issued for these carbines. The Poltny patent cartridge was made of a brass foil wrapped in paper. The Jackson patent cartridge was a nearly traditional paper cartridge. The third cartridge had a drawn brass case. It held 60 grains of musket powder. This is the easiest to reproduce. My brass cartridges are turned with thick walls. They hold 40 grains of powder. The hammer has a half cock for the safety of the loading and a full cock position. The trigger pull is quite heavy, nearly 5,000 grams. Need to be lightened for serious target shooting. The 19th century nipples had a huge touch hole, so the powder could get into the nipple for secure ignition. But it's worth a try to test it with a small vent hole nipple as well. The smaller vent hole speeds up the flames of the cap. We'll check this out on the range, which one performs better. I used 40 grains of 3F Swiss powder for my cartridges. My bullet was the 541 Pedersoli original style Sharps bullet. The closing of the action breech seats this bullet. My soft bullet grease is made of beeswax and 0W40 engine oil. Pulling down the trigger guard opens the breech. The barrel breech and the face of the chamber in the frame fits together perfectly. With the help of the cartridge, they seal the action perfectly. Before loading, Put the hammer in half-cock position and open the breech. Put the cartridge into the chamber and gently close the action. Now your rifle is ready to be kept.
Follow me to the range in the next part to see how this lady performs.